Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook bird egg sushi in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in game, search for a place with fire and stove like this one right here. To interact with it, go close to it and then press F. So here are all the items you can cook. From here, search for bird egg sushi, which is right over here. So to cook this, the ingredients you need are 1 bird egg and 1 rice. So to cook this, you'll see an option called cook on the bottom right side of your screen, right here. Click on it. As you can see, you have to cook this manually by clicking right here and then stopping on the orange, which will be perfectly cooked now. So to obtain this, just press confirm here and it will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Stace. Happy gaming